In this video, we will be talking about the noise annotation. Noise is a label used for all kinds of miscellaneous noise events. This means that if you hear a car passing by, knocking on wood, birds chirping, or literally any other sound that does not fall under any of the other categories, it should be labeled as noise. It is very important to know that all simultaneous noises should be labeled with only one noise annotation. So, if you hear two kinds of background noises happening at the same time, they both would fall under one noise annotation. There is no need to create two separate noise annotations that overlap. If you do this, it would be incorrect. The noise annotation is also used to annotate the white noise present in some tasks. If you hear a static noise, sometimes called a white noise, that sounds something like this, that should be also be annotated with this annotation. Keep in mind that the noise annotation, as well as any other annotations, should follow the 0.5-second rule. So that means that if there are two different noises that are less than 0.5 seconds apart, they should be covered with one noise annotation. If between the two noises there is a silence that lasts for longer than 0.5 seconds, you should create two separate noise annotations.